In this guide, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag in Black Ops 1 on PS5. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by completely restarting the game, and if lag continues, go ahead and restart your PS5 through this power menu here, and reset your router by unplugging it for about 5 minutes before reconnecting it. For Wi-Fi connections, move your console closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender. For the most stable connection though, you're going to want to connect your PS5 directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. Lag may also be caused by busy Call of Duty servers. Check the current server status or try switching to another game mode. While searching for a match, you're going to want to press the touchpad to open the search preferences. Go down to it and make sure it's set to local or local only. This may improve your connection, although matchmaking could take a little longer. You can also open your PS5 settings and select network. Go down to where it says settings, set up internet connection, and go to your connection. Press the options button and test a different Wi-Fi frequency band. And if all else fails, you can also go to advanced settings here and change the DNS to manual instead of automatic, and then set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Press OK after this, restart the game, and test your connection again. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.